Cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis, instead, it might just be your secret weapon for faster typing. Imagine all those satisfying pops as tiny tension relievers that can actually enhance your hand's agility. When you crack your knuckles, you're not damaging your joints but rather creating a temporary vacuum that helps synovial fluid flow more freely, reducing stiffness and increasing flexibility. This means your fingers are prepped for speed and precision, making every keystroke smoother and more efficient. So next time you feel the urge to crack those knuckles, go ahead, your hands might just thank you with better typing prowess.